Today, we will talk about the Emergency Banking Act of 1933, a critical piece of legislation during the Great Depression. The Emergency Banking Act of 1933 was passed during the Great Depression to restore confidence in the U.S. banking system. It created the FDIC to insure bank accounts and gave the president executive power during financial crises. The act was a response to the strain the Great Depression placed on the U.S. monetary system. It was enacted by Franklin D. Roosevelt and led to a 4-day shutdown of all U.S. banks. This helped reassure Americans that the financial system was being closely monitored for stability and trustworthiness. The act resulted in restored confidence in the banking system and played a role in the long-term stability of the U.S. financial system. Its provisions, such as the existence of the FDIC, continue to have lasting effects today. The act was one of several pieces of legislation aimed at stabilizing and restoring trust in the U.S. financial system during the Great Depression. The act was largely a success, as it restored confidence and led to a return of funds to deposit at banks. The FDIC continues to insure bank customers' deposits, providing continued confidence in the banking system. The act granted the president greater power to respond, independent of the Federal Reserve, during a financial crisis, changing the dynamic of control over monetary policy. Yes, people believed Roosevelt, as demonstrated by lining up to put their money back into their bank accounts once banks reopened. His assurances helped restore confidence in the banking system. The Emergency Banking Act of 1933 aimed to restore confidence in the financial system after a week-long bank shutdown, and its effects are still seen today. Here are 2 key takeaways. 1. The Emergency Banking Act aimed to restore confidence in the U.S. financial system during the Great Depression. 2. The act resulted in restored confidence, lasting provisions, and continuing support for bank customers' deposits. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.